Welcome to the Menicon MELS Patient Portal. In this demonstration, we're going to show you how to set up and use the Patient Portal service, so you're able to manage your Menicon product orders from your optician. You should have received an email invitation to use the Patient Portal. Please click on the link in the email to verify your email address. You can then sign in using your temporary password included in the email. Once you've signed into the service, please click on Login Details tab to choose a new memorable password. You can now see your prescribed products, when your next eye test is due, your order history, your address details, and the option to order more product. You can amend your address details by clicking on the Your Details tab. Click Edit, amend the address details, and click Update or Cancel as needed. To order more product, simply click on the blue Order Now button. This will confirm the products you're prescribed to order and the quantity available. You'll see the cost of the product and the estimated delivery date. If your prescription is a stocked product, you'll have the option to choose an express delivery. The estimated delivery date and cost will update. If you wish to purchase, click the blue Buy Now button, enter your card details, and submit payment. Your payment will be processed. Once payment is completed, click Finish. You will receive a confirmation email, and you'll be able to view the status of your order in the Order History tab. If your prescription has expired or you wish to change your product or available quantity, please contact your optician, who can update the service accordingly. Thank you.